Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel and enjoy your stay. And if you're new, then welcome. On this channel we're doing the reviews, swatches and the tutorials for the most colorful makeup. And if you want colorful photos daily, please follow me on Instagram, and you're seeing my Instagram nickname right now on your screen. In this video I will be swatching and reviewing the Nyx Soft Matte Metallic Lip Cream. Just as always, all the makeup that you see on my face right now is listed in the description box. So let's not talk more and get to the swatching. Now, to give you a better idea of the color, I will show you the dupes. So here we go with the dupes. This is our soft matte lip cream in Havana. This is NYX Metallic Liquid Suede in Ego. And this is NYX Matte Liquid Suede in Amethyst. NYX Ego may seem a little bit warmer on the camera. Actually, it's basically the same shade, but it is a bit less saturated. So this one is more vibrant. And NYX Amethyst is really warmer, so NYX Amethyst is a classic purple, and this one is a cool purple. By the way, if you guys have tried any of these formulas, let me know what you think and which one is your favorite. The soft matte lip cream is absolutely smudge proof. It dries down to a metallic matte. But despite being metallic and smudge proof, it is not drying. It is also very lightweight. I don't feel it on my lips, and I definitely love how the color looks. And the only minus I would say is that this opaque coverage has to be built up. So from the first swipe you won't get this opacity. And from the first layer it can be slightly patchy. You need to wait like, I don't know, half a minute while the first layer dries down, and apply a second one on top. And I got this lip cream a few days ago, so I really had a chance to test it. And I can say that if you're just wearing it without eating or drinking, like, nothing happens to it. If you just drink some water, also nothing happens to it. And when I drank some coffee and ate chocolate, it didn't come off, but I started feeling it on my lips a bit, and I didn't like it, so I actually rubbed it all off with a napkin and reapplied it. As for the stain, this color does stain your lips a little bit. It leaves a pinkish stain unless you remove it with a waterproof makeup remover. To sum it up, I think the formula is good and I would recommend this product, especially for those who have dry lips but want to find something which stays on for hours. And just as always guys, I hope that this video was useful to you, and if it was, please give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye loves!